if we have the oscilloscope, I can show you what some of these waveforms look like. Okay. Where is it? Oh, can you see it? Oh, you guys can all see the waveform? Oh, okay, now I can see it a little bit better. All right, let's see if I make something that is a little easier to see. Yeah, you can see the shape of it, kind of. Now, I could easily turn this into a siren if I wanted to. What's a siren? So that's a sine wave modulating a very complex waveform, and you can hear the pitch is going really far down, and I'm letting it go really far up. Now, when a singer uses vibrato, it's kind of that, but like a miniature version. Here's a singer, like an opera singer, like. Right? It's just not going as wide, the pitch. So when you hear this, think again in terms of pitch, timbre, duration, amplitude. When you hear something, what's going on? Ask yourself. When you hear an air conditioner, when you hear sirens, when you hear cars, when you hear music, is it a high sound? Is it being modulated like this? Is the pitch being modulated? Or let's say the pitch isn't being modulated, but the timbre is being modulated, the brightness. Have you guys ever heard this sound? Like, you know, like dubstep or something, you know? A million times, right? Well, that's just modulating timbre. And I emphasize the frequency, that's what gives it that wah sound. Otherwise, it's just going to be more like this. So another quick thing I said, we've covered pitch, timbre, duration. The last thing is amplitude or volume. But a simple illustration of volume would be tremolo. So let's see, and I was actually doing that with the helicopter tail rotor. This guy has to be up, okay. We use the same waveform, and there we go. So now instead of the pitch warbling, it's just the volume that's warbling. See how it's getting louder and softer? And I could change the shape too. I could put it into the shape of a sawtooth. Or on and off. And if I apply that same waveform to pitch, you'll hear what's going on. Whatever that is, right? These are kind of like, if you mic'd insects or something like that, it might kind of sound like that. Right, in the Amazon.